There you go.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video we are going to be having chapo. We are going to be preparing chapo. Here I have the saucepan for mixing the chapo. Here we have the maize
There's flour, wheat.
with flour for chapo. It's called gluten. And here we have the water. This is the water mixed with the salt and little sugar. And then here we have the cooking oil that we are going to use for mixing. Let's get right to the video. Kindly, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, and then also go and check my little sister's channel, Miriam Namku. Make sure you go and check her channel. You support her. So this is the flour we are putting. We are putting the flour. Let's not put a lot of it. And then this water is actually warm, so for me I normally like to mix the chapo with some warm water. So let's pour the water there, and then I'm going to use my hand to mix it because I already washed my hands. So here maybe kama iwanekane kuje karibu uoneshe tu na mixing. So this is how to mix the chapo. If the water is hot, don't mix it with your hand because it will actually burn you, right? So don't mix it with your hands. You use the mingling stick in case the water is too hot. By the way, you can show them the chicken. That is our chicken's house. The chicken is inside already. They are in, ready to sleep. And by the way, it is an evening here. It's an evening. And we are preparing our dinner. We keep on adding our flour because if you put, in case you put a lot of water, then you go ahead and adding. So this is our chapo. This is the dough that we are done mixing it, and it has come to this unique look. You can see, yeah. You make sure you mix it until it is not sticking. You can see it's not sticking. So in this stage, we are going to add some cooking oil in it, just to make it very, very soft. After when you have your cooking oil, you go ahead with again mixing it very well. Mix it. The cooking oil makes it very soft inside and very layered when you're cooking it. Guys, cooking oil these days is on a high price, so
The economy is high.
Economy is high. High cost of living in Kenya is high. So you don't jump with
oil.
the little you have. Because that's especially cooking oil. You don't have to jump with it. So we are done mixing it with oil, and this is the chapo. This is the dough. So when you want it to make soft, to get soft, and then it will be easy for you, the time when you're going to roll it, you have to put some little oil. Yeah, like that. Some cooking oil like that. And then you need to actually cover it. Yeah. Me, what I'm going to use, this one. You have to put it like that and like that. You cover it so that it can get soft and very unique all together. Cover it like that, and then we are going to cover with a tray on top. That is just that, as simple as that. This flour that has remained is actually for rolling out our chapo. So that is all. Let's wait for this to get ready, and then we are going to roll it out together. See you. Kindly subscribe and share. So guys, we started our chapo actually off guard because time is not on our side. So you can see what I'm doing. Just trying to separate it so that we can start the process of rolling it out. I just rolled it once. Yeah. Inaonyesha kabisa hivi lines. So you can see what I'm doing. Chapo is just very easy. If you're interested, it's very easy for you to learn. So you post kwanza. Umeanza? So guys, make sure unaonyesha vile mimi nakwenda. So hivi ndio tunafanyanga chapo. This is how we make our chapati. Tell me, show me how you do your own chapati at the comment section. This is how I do my chapati. Just like that. So time actually is not on our side. So pause.